What's going on, guys? Welcome to your first Unity tutorial with me, Travis, of my Bringback. Now, some of you guys probably don't know who I am, and some of you guys don't know what Unity is. What a game engine is, if you guys have ever developed games before in native code, it gets pretty redundant. You're using the same methods over and over, using some of the same concepts over and over. So what an engine does is it has all of those concepts built in, so it's just pretty simple to drag and drop stuff and make it very easy for you to create a game. Now, Unity is probably one of the better ones I've used, especially for mobile development. That's what we're going to focus on. It's Android and iPhone. But with Unity, you can also publish for like Xbox, you can publish for PS3, the Wii, or even like just a simple web browser application or game that you want to create. So what we're going to focus on mainly is for Android and iPhone, and the beauty is, again, if you guys have tried creating games before, you develop for Android in native code, and you're going to spend a lot of time developing this game, whether it be days, weeks, years, anything. It could be a tedious process. And once you're done, you release it and you're like, dang, I didn't really sell that many apps. I should probably develop this game for iPhone and see if that works as well. So then you're going to have to restart the whole process, build it up again. The beauty of Unity is you just build it once and you can launch it to these different platforms. Again, with like iPhone or Android or those other platforms I was talking about previously. So that's the beauty of Unity, what it is. It's game development software, you can think of it as, but it's an engine that's going to make our development process a lot easier, a lot simpler, and so forth. So what you guys got to do first is actually download Unity. So what you want to do is go to unity3d.com, go there, and then just go to the download section over here, and download it. Simple as that. Pretty easy. You might want to cook up a steak and relax for a while, because this download might take a while because Unity has a lot of horsepower, if you know what I mean. There's so much stuff built into Unity that obviously it's going to take a while to download. Just quickly note, before you guys get super excited about launching your applications on iPhone and Android, showing all your friends, showing your grandma, all that stuff, the thing about it is development on Unity is free. But when you launch it onto iPhone or Android, you're going to have to pay a fee, essentially. I think it's like $400 for the basic version and like $1,500 for the Pro version. But don't worry, guys, because you can develop for free, and then if you're like, wow, I spent a year on that game and it sucks, I'm not going to launch this, so I'm going to save myself and not buy that license. And then if you think that your game is the top dog, the New York strip T-bone steak, then you can actually download the license later and then launch your game for those platforms, or for like Xbox or whatever else. So that's the beauty of it. It's free for us now. Like I said, just download it. We'll figure it out together, and we'll make this happen. The development for like websites, I believe, is free. You don't have to pay anything for that license. So that's pretty awesome as well. And I hope some of you guys know who I am already and follow us on Twitter, because about 6 months ago, Unity released their iPhone and their Android basic license for free. So I tweeted that out, and I hope some of you guys downloaded it, because that would have saved you $800, and you can launch your applications at the end of this series for free, essentially, and start making money for it. So if you guys, if you want to, you can follow us on Twitter. It's my Bringback like this. Here is who we are. And if you do, I'm just going to warn you, because a lot of the time, we tweet stuff that has nothing to do with programming. Just, it doesn't have to do with anything, essentially. And I apologize for that. But every once in a while, you get that nugget of gold in there and save yourself $800. So hopefully you guys, again, downloaded it when I tweeted it. But for those of you that have no idea who I am, don't worry, it's not your fault. We're going to help you guys out and start having you develop your own games. As you can see here is this like promotion, or this little picture that Unity has. You can get pretty intense with your development process. For people that don't have a ton of programming experience, we are going to get into programming, but It's directed for more of the beginners. So if that's who you are, I'm glad you're watching these videos. It'll be perfect for you. We're going to create some sweet stuff, and hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Depending on your download speed, I'll catch you then. So have a good one, guys.